Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talk about oil catch can, an Infiniti 350Z or Nissan G35 or any other car. Why you need the oil catch can when you add horsepower in your car, and especially for G35 people add spacer, add a lot of stuff in the car. I will show you like that. So when you have spacer, you have a lot of intake, and you have a tune, and you want to keep your engine clean and protect. So what you have to do, you have to add oil catch can. Oil catch can pretty much coming from the PCV to the oil catch can, then you go to the intake manifold. So you want the air go inside your car clean, because you don't want to stay open every time the intake manifold and open the throttle body, all that. Oil catch can, it protects everything. So this one here make you save the work on a car. So now we're gonna show you what the oil catch can, how many oil they save there. So let's open it and we see if there is any oil in the throttle body. How do you know there is oil? When you drive the car, you can smell some smoke because the can gets full with oil. So we're gonna open it and we see how many oil do you have there. And we have to drop this oil, take it away. Here we go. Look at this oil, guys. Look, all this oil. Imagine all this oil go inside your engine. So all this oil gotta go inside your engine. You don't want that. You don't want this oil go inside your engine. This way your intake manifold get dirty, your throttle body get dirty, your piston seal manifold, because all they get burnt inside. So you want this oil stay away. So for the G35 and Nissan 350 is common engine burn oil, but burning oil is from the PCV valve. So you want all this oil get to the can. You don't want this oil go inside your engine. So this is why, guys, look how many oil here. So we gotta remove this oil, clean it, and clean the can, and we close it back again to the car. And most people, they ask how I know the oil that the can got full. So guys, every time we drive, sometimes you smell smoke and exhaust. So mean the can got full. So it's time to change open it and clean the can from the oil inside of it. So this is how we do it. So now we're gonna clean it, and we put it back and check the oil level. And always for Infiniti Nissan, check the oil level. If the oil level is low, add some fluid all time, because those guys is coming burning oil. So let's clean it and put it back, and we drive the car. So after we clean the can, so what we have to do, make sure you clean everything on the can side there. So now it's clean, so we gotta put it back. This is how we put it back again. Make sure it's tight good. And there is a washer in the can, over here there's a washer to keep it protected and doesn't get leak. Really easy, guys. Just get one specific for your car. A lot of people, they trying to get something cheaper. They works, but it's better get one special, the one can go to your car. There we go, it's tight good. And the brand I have here, let's show you the brand. Yeah, this is the brand I have on my car. So this is a good brand for my car. They fit for my Infiniti, and it's really cheap. It's not that expensive. Here we go, guys. So we finished for that one, and you have to check the oil level. If the oil level is low, add some fluid. So that's it. Oil catch can, gonna save a lot of money on it, especially if you have a turbocharge. It's worth it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing more tricks.